I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have and removing variables. Check the watch model and any visible damage, then connect a known good Apple-certified charger and magnetic puck to a wall adapter. Using a computer USB port can be too weak. Once connected, leave it on charge for at least 15 minutes while you observe the screen. Make sure the charger is seated magnetically and the back is clean. This establishes power and rules out simple connection faults before deeper steps. If charging didn't work, perform a force restart. Press and hold the side button and digital crown together for around 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. If you see a red lightning bolt or a charging screen, wait, the battery may be deeply discharged. If nothing changes, swap to a different adapter and cable to isolate charger issues, or try placing it on another magnetic charger. These steps help determine whether the issue is software or a failed power delivery path. Once you've ruled out cables and restarts, check the paired iPhone's Watch app for connection and software prompts. Unpairing can force a backup and reset if the watch responds. If the device remains unresponsive, a depleted or damaged battery or internal board failure is likely. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for battery replacement or DFU-level recovery. If you see signs of life but get stuck during restore, use DFU service or a technician to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.